What's up everyone, you're watching Graffiti Tutorials, and I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I had a bit of a mad December. Like I had to work my day job, doing double shifts and stuff, and then I was going all over the place painting murals, just trying to save up money for the time that I was having off, because I'm self-employed, so I don't get paid for the time that I take off at Christmas. So I have to work double hard to like get the money to be able to stay at home. So anyway, that's enough about that. As we're in like the winter season, and I know like Christmas and that's kind of over now, but on Christmas Eve I painted like an awesome wall with my friend, and we done like a Christmas theme. So I painted like a snowman character, and then he done like a piece of graph, and we done like all bits of snow on it and stuff, and made it look like really 3D and realistic. So in this video I'm going to show you how to paint like realistic snow, make it look like so it's actually not just white blobs all over your letters and stuff, but so that it actually looks 3D sitting on top of the letters. And so make sure you stick around to the end to watch, and you're going to learn how to paint snow that looks awesome. Right, so guys, what you're going to need for this one is obviously whatever colours you want to do your piece, and for the snow you're going to need obviously white, and then you're going to need like a baby blue colour, like a really light blue, probably even lighter than that if you can. I'm going to use this to shade the snow in, and you'll see what I mean as we go through the video, what I mean by that. But you can also use like a light grey colour or even a transparent black, but personally I like the look of it when you shade it in with the blue, and you'll see what I mean later on. So I'm just going to go ahead and just sketch out a little piece and just fill it in, and well, just basically do a little piece, and then I'm going to show you how to put the snow on it after. So, oh, and guys, I forgot to mention you're also going to need a transparent black, so I will go in and get that in a minute, but that is optional as well, so I'll go and grab that in a sec. Right, so once you've marked out where you want it to be, I started filling these in. I shouldn't have. Don't fill them in, just mark out where you want them to be, and then we're going to put a little shadow underneath it, because then it will give it a more of a 3D effect, like it's sitting on top. So you can either use a darker shade of the colour that it's on top of, or you can just use the good old transparent black, and just literally just follow it around the edge like that. Just on like to one side, don't do it underneath the whole, well you can do it underneath the whole thing, because if the light was coming down then it would be underneath the whole thing, but whichever way the light's coming from, the shadow's on the opposite side. And the reason you obviously don't colour it in first is because when you do this you will go onto the edge of it. Right, so once you've done the shadows, you want to come back through with your white and just cut it off so it's nice and neat. Right, so now I've filled in all the snow and cut the shadows back and everything, and as you can see it's starting to look amazing already. It looks like nice and 3D. But now we're going to give the snow some texture with this light blue, or like I said, you can use a transparent black or maybe a light grey or something. I'm literally just going to add some shadows onto it, like this, just onto the edges and that. We're going to come back and cut these back with the white as well after. Right, so we've got some shading on there with the blue, and now's your chance to come back with the white and just sharpen it up a little bit and just give it even more texture. Just point your can at an angle like that and just literally just give it some more texture. And you can even give this a bit more sharpness as well, the edge. Right, so as far as the snow on the letters and around the letters goes, that is finished. So as you can see, it looks great, looks nice and 3D, looks like it's actually sitting on top of the letters instead of just white blobs put all over your piece, and it's got a bit more texture. And I actually forgot to come back over this piece as well. This paint is horrible, especially in the cold. In the cold in the winter, the paint just gets so thick and horrible and sprays and spits everywhere. So what I'm going to do now, just for extra effect, is just make it look like it's snowing, literally. As easy as that. You can even shade these in with the blue if you have time, but it just give it an extra bit of effect. So there you have it, guys. That is how you can paint realistic looking snow to go on your piece for next year's Christmas piece. I'm sorry this was a bit delayed. Like I said, I had a crazy December, but I should be back making videos more regularly now. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so that you can see all the tutorials to come this year. I've got some great plans for this year, by the way, guys, but I've just got to get it rolling again, get making videos again. So hit the like button, comment on the video and let us know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.